Introduction. Life can often feel chaotic, and our emotions play a big role in how we navigate it. They influence our decisions and relationships. But what if you could control your emotions and use them to create a joyful, fulfilling, and successful life? Master Your Emotions is a book that can help you do just that. It's written by a respected psychologist and life coach who will guide you on a journey of self-discovery. You'll learn practical tools and strategies to understand and manage your emotions, empowering you to take charge of your emotional well-being. Chapter 1. The Role of Emotions. In this chapter, you'll gain a deeper understanding of emotions and their importance in our lives. You'll explore why we have different emotions, how they are triggered, and why they can sometimes feel overwhelming. You'll also discover the valuable messages hidden within your emotions. Understanding these messages can guide you towards personal growth and self-awareness. Chapter 2. Building Emotional Intelligence. Developing emotional intelligence is crucial for mastering your emotions. This chapter presents proven techniques to enhance your self-awareness, empathy, and ability to regulate your emotions. You'll learn practical exercises that strengthen your emotional intelligence, allowing you to handle challenging situations with grace, understand others' emotions, and build positive relationships. Chapter 3. Rewriting Limiting Beliefs. Many of our emotional responses are influenced by deep-seated beliefs. In this chapter, you'll learn how to identify and challenge these limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering ones. You'll discover the transformative power of positive affirmations, visualization, and techniques to restructure your thoughts. By practicing these methods, you'll gain control over your emotional responses and create a new narrative that aligns with your goals. Chapter 4. Mindfulness and Emotional Balance. Mindfulness is a gateway to emotional balance and inner peace. In this chapter, you'll learn mindfulness practices that help you observe your emotions without judgment, breaking free from their grip. You'll explore mindfulness meditation, breathing exercises, and techniques for mindful living. These practices promote emotional resilience and mental clarity. Chapter 5. Embracing Emotional Vulnerability. Vulnerability is often seen as a weakness, but it's actually a source of strength and authenticity. This chapter will teach you how to embrace your emotional vulnerability and deepen your connections with others. You'll receive guidance on fostering meaningful relationships, expressing your emotions openly, and creating a safe space for emotional intimacy. Chapter 6. Transforming Fear into Courage. Fear can hold us back from pursuing our dreams. In this chapter, you'll discover strategies to overcome fear and cultivate courage. You'll explore the root causes of fear, learn practical techniques to face your fears directly, and develop resilience in the face of adversity. By transforming fear into courage, you'll unlock your true potential and live a bolder life. Conclusion. Master Your Emotions is more than just a book. It's a roadmap to emotional mastery. Through its pages, you'll embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery, tapping into the power within you to shape your emotional landscape. Equipped with practical tools, insightful wisdom, and actionable strategies, you'll gain confidence, resilience, and compassion in navigating your emotions. By mastering your emotions, you'll open the door to a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and genuine connections. Are you ready to embark on this extraordinary adventure? The power to master your emotions lies within your reach, and we have added the final copy and ebook version of Master Your Emotions book direct and free downloading link in description.